If you have knee pain, I'm telling you right now, you would need to try this. This is an electric knee massager that has vibration levels from low to high, and I'm telling you, it hits both sides of your knee. It even has built-in heating, which is really going to help with that stiffness and soreness. So yeah, if you or if someone you know deals with knee pain, then you absolutely need this right here. If you're watching this video, you actually caught it at a good time. They have a crazy sale going on today, which is making it much more affordable. So hopefully by the time you're watching this, there's still a link down right there, which means they're still in stock and you still have a chance to get one for yourself.